In this video, we will compare Loom versus Wistia for the most powerful video platform. When comparing Loom and Vimeo, both platforms offer video hosting solutions, however they cater to different needs. Loom is primarily designed for quick, simple video creation and sharing, particularly in professional and team-based environments. It's a great tool for recording screen captures, video messaging and tutorials. It's often used in the workplace for communication, onboarding and collaboration. Loom provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface which allows users to record videos easily and share them via a link. It's best suited for internal communication or sharing videos that do not require heavy customization or branding. Loom also offers a free plan with essential features, though its paid plans have advanced features like longer videos, unlimited storage and better analytics. On the other hand, Wistia is designed for a strong focus on video marketing and business needs. It stands out with a powerful suite of tools aimed at maximizing video performance in marketing context. Wistia offers an extensive analytics, customizable players and interactive features like embedded call to action, email collection forms and integration with marketing automation platforms. These features make Wistia a go-to choice for many businesses looking to track viewer behavior, generate more leads and optimize video content for marketing campaigns. While Wistia pricing is higher than Vimeo's, its specialized tool and detailed viewer analytics and insights cater to companies that want a more sophisticated video hosting solution. In summary, Loom is the best for quick and casual video sharing and communication, while Wistia excels for businesses that want to make and use video for marketing and lead generation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.